Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I am Miss A. So before we start, let me just greet everyone a happy Valentine's Day. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell beside it to be updated to my latest posts. So every Valentine's Day talaga, meron ako tradition na may isang tao na hindi pwedeng mawala tuwing Valentine's, and that is my mama. So ngayong 2021, nag-iisip ako ng paraan kung paano ko siya iso-surprise. Actually, medyo late na. But, gagawa natin ang paraan yan. Medyo matagal na yung since the last time na na-surprise ko siya. So, naisip ko ngayong year na to, bibigyan ko ulit siya ng another surprise. So, happy Valentine's Day, ma. So, sana magustuhan mo to. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So, since ayaw pala ni mama ng cake, so nag-decide na lang ako na Lucky Thumbs. Ito na siya. Flowers with Hershey's Kisses. Oh, diba ang taray? Magkano na yan pag binili mo? Effort yan para sa'yo, ma. Tabo ko muna siya dito. Tingnan ko. Happy Valentine's! Ang gulo naman ng buhok mo, ma.
Wow! Happy Valentine's!
Video. Happy Valentine's, ma!
Happy Valentine's!
Tayo ulit magka-Valentine's. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell beside it to be updated on the latest post. So I'll see you again, guys, soon.